So we're here in Clovis, California, taking a look at some piping up in the attic. We've got some hammering downstairs at one of the sinks, and we've located it, traced it back to this cold line. Unfortunately, the cold line is part of the fire sprinkler system. You can see here. That's the fire sprinklers, and that's code in Clovis. A lot of the cold fixtures in the home, toilets, some of the faucets, dishwasher, the automatic clothes washer, that all ties into the fire sprinkler line just to keep the water from getting stagnant in there. But we've traced it to a couple different locations. It's a little 3/4 line that goes right there, and then it comes up. Actually, this one goes underneath the platform where the furnace is at. So if you're looking back in there, hopefully you can see, it just kind of loops back in there. We've monitored it, and it's not bouncing up and down, and it's hard to tell whether it's this line, and there is quite a bit of movement in this line. We can move this in and out, back and forth. The only way to really take a look at this pipe is open up the platform. You can see this plywood right here. We have to get out there on the platform, cut it open, and see what we can find in there, and see if strapping is actually going to help. And the other piece of pipe that it's connected to is right here. Let me get up here without stepping on anything, because there's a lot of fire lines up here that are in the way. And you can see this is the other one. So this cold line right here, this goes down. Let me see if I can find a stud to stand on. Of course, I can't. So that one goes right down right there. And we can feel movement. This thing barely moves at all, but there's no movement up here at all. So as we're watching this, you can see there's a little bit of shuddering, but where the noise is coming from, I don't know. And that disappears into the plate. The other one is underneath the platform. So we thought it would be a quick fix. Come up here, strap some pipes, and we'd be done. But you know, there's nothing hitting out here that's exposed. So the only thing you do, like I said, we have to cut that platform open, or cut a wall open down here and see what's happening down below. See if it's on the hot side. Okay, doesn't feel to be the hot side. So anyways, I'm going to stop the video and do a little more inspection up here, and then we'll get with the homeowner and see what they'd like to do.